The following instructions apply to the TR90 Multicoax connector. To properly install your TR90 connector onto the PCB footprint, please follow the outlined steps. Remove the shipping cover and stiffener block from the TR assembly by loosening the thumb screws. When placing the TR Multicoax down, please ensure that the interface is not touched nor set directly upon any surface. Prior to installing the TR Multicoax, it is necessary to inspect the TR PCB footprint. If the PCB is being used for the first time or as part of routine maintenance, it is recommended to clean the footprint area of the PCB as well. With the stiffener bosses of the stiffener block aligned with the corresponding holes of the PCB, carefully apply hand pressure to press the bosses of the stiffener block into the PCB. Once the TR PCB footprint has been inspected and the stiffener block or PEM nuts have been mounted, the TR Multicoax connector may be installed. Locate the alignment dowels on the bottom of the TR assembly. Take note of the different diameter dowel pins as they will be used as a reference when alignment is made to the PCB. Gently push straight down on the TR strain relief and ground block to hold it in place. While holding the TR connector in place, alternate tightening the M2 thumb screws by hand. This should allow for proper seating on the PCB, although the screws need to be torqued in the next step. Use a torque limiting screwdriver with a 1.5 millimeter hex bit to tighten the thumb screws to a nominal 1.1 plus or minus 0.1 inches per pound. This concludes the TR90 Multicoax connector installation video guide. For any additional questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.